Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix cannot install Facebook Messenger app. Let's see the solution. First of all, tap and hold on Google Play Store. Now tap on I button. Now scroll down and tap on Storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from Google Play Store. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your File app. From here, manage your storage. If your internal storage is running out or low, please free up your internal storage. Now open your phone setting, go to your connection setting and make sure your internet connection is stable. So follow all of these steps to fix cannot install Facebook Messenger app.